Henry Dlamini's is coming to an end from the 23rd of July 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile Henry Dlamini's from the 1st to the 2nd of July 2025 on a Tuesday. Sibongile feels like a failure when Kwenzo makes a life-altering suggestion. Nomfundo prepares a delightful surprise for Njengaye and prompts him with to deliver on his promise when Zeni has dressed up for a special someone's attention on Wednesday. Nomalanga has a triggering flashback to a younger Kwenzo and herself, reflecting on her hurt over his relationship with Sibongile. Nomfundo worries when she sees Njengaye and Petheni's dark sides. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.